Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your friend 1 Minute Finance, and today we're talking about something that might sound a little surprising: why saving too much could hurt your future. I know, everyone always tells us to save, right? But what if I told you that saving too much could actually be a bad thing? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving into how oversaving can impact your financial future, and what you should do instead to build wealth without missing out. First, let's talk about the basic idea of saving. The common advice is, save as much as you can, as often as you can. And while saving is essential, don't get me wrong, it's important to realize that there's such a thing as saving too much. So how could this possibly hurt you? Well, here's the thing. Saving all of your money without thinking about how you invested means you're missing out on one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth: the power of compounding. I mean, look, if your savings are sitting in a regular savings account, earning a tiny interest rate, what is it, like 0.01%? You're not growing your wealth as much as you could be. To put it simply, inflation is working against you. The value of money decreases over time, but your savings aren't growing fast enough to keep up. So what do? Instead of letting your money sit stagnant, you need to think about where you put it. Investing in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, these can grow your money much faster. For example, over the long term, the stock market has historically averaged about 7% to 10% annual returns. Another issue with saving too much? You're not prioritizing your lifestyle today. If all you're doing is socking money away for a future that feels uncertain, you might miss out on experiences that can enrich your life right now. Don't get me wrong, planning for the future is important, but you have to find a balance. Think about it this way: if you save every single penny and never allow yourself to enjoy any of it, when do you get to experience the fruits of your labor? Remember, life isn't just about securing a future, it's about enjoying the present too. Striking that balance is key. You need to be mindful of the fact that too much saving can also lead to lifestyle deprivation. Don't forget to treat yourself along the way, whether it's a vacation or a new experience, and yes, even some small splurges. Here's the final point. If you're saving without understanding your long-term goals or investing wisely, you could be jeopardizing your future too. Saving is important, but investing, whether that's in your retirement, the stock market, or even starting a business, is where the real magic happens. Consider your goals. Are you saving for retirement? Are you working towards financial independence? Investing in things like retirement accounts or real estate could be better ways to grow your wealth over time. So let's recap. Saving is important, but saving too much, with no focus on investing, can actually hurt you. It's all about finding that sweet spot where you're securing your future, but also living your life today. Make sure your savings work for you, not the other way around. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips on personal finance, and share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you balance saving and spending? Let's chat about it.